Hey fans, welcome back. Get ready to discover an amazing lineup of innovative tools you never knew you needed. In this video, we'll unveil some hidden gems and introduce you to incredible gadgets that will streamline your tasks and boost your productivity. Looking for a reliable bike stand? This motorcycle stand is perfect for your Ducati. It offers secure support on any surface, from uneven concrete to rough asphalt. With dual wheels on each side, moving your bike around for parking or transport is a breeze. What sets this stand apart is its innovative wheel design. The spherical wheels with miniature rollers allow for movement in two directions at once. This omnidirectional feature lets you maneuver your bike in any direction and easily navigate it into tight spaces in your garage. Tired of struggling with stubborn wallpaper? Let the experts handle it. Our wallpaper stripper uses a steam system that only needs 7.5 liters of water. This safe method removes wallpaper without damaging your walls, even if they're plastered. With enough water to last for 90 minutes, you can enjoy hassle-free and thorough wallpaper removal. Introducing the RaiMondi RV175. With China producing 5 billion square meters of ceramic tiles, there's a huge need for tools that ease the strain on workers' backs. That's where these suction cups come in. They can lift up to 130 kilograms and work with a variety of materials, including ceramic, marble, glass, and granite tiles, regardless of their surface texture. Cleaning is simple with the easily removable rubber cup, and the vacuum gauge can be replaced with a blank plug if needed. All this comes at a price of $1,500. With over 4.1 billion people online, imagine the vast network of cables needed to keep everyone entertained with funny YouTube videos. That's why tools like this are essential. With one charge, you can install 500 fasteners, instantly boosting your productivity. Plus, it only takes 40 minutes to fully recharge, and the set includes 2 batteries. The real game changer. A smart system that adjusts the force based on how hard you press the tool, making your work effortless. For that perfect finish, it even comes with a built-in measuring device. The whole kit looking to make precise cuts on vinyl or laminate without the hassle. Skip the DIY options that struggle with thick materials and invest $212 in the Wolfcraft VLC 1000. This specialized cutter can handle materials up to 14 millimeters thick and 370 millimeters wide, all without electricity, complex settings, or mess. Its gear train ensures smooth operation every time, and the patented return mechanism automatically resets the blade, speeding up your work. With adjustable cutting gaps and a removable limit stop, you'll have everything you need for top-notch results. Introducing the adjustable ratcheting socket tool. This versatile gadget is a true multitasker, combining a comprehensive ratchet, a flexible wrench, and clamping capabilities in one tool. With 2 different socket sizes positioned back to back, it's like having 2 tools in one. The pivoting head locks securely at 30-degree intervals, making it easy to access bolts in tight spots. The 1.25-inch and 1-inch sockets feature a 12-point configuration, providing a strong grip for various construction and pipeline tasks. Crafted for durability, these precision-made sockets can handle heavy-duty workloads. Thanks to its unique ratchet engagement structure, you'll enjoy smooth operation and quick reversal actions, making your projects more efficient and enjoyable. Introducing the Board Bracket Batter Boss. This innovative tool is perfect for solo users, allowing you to position and adjust wooden molds, rebar, and stakes, whether they're made of wood or metal, without the need for traditional batter boards or frames. What makes this system special is its ability to reduce the amount of materials usually required for masonry tasks. The bracket tool simplifies the process, cutting down on both the workforce and time needed to position molds. It attaches quickly and securely to concrete form panels, making it ideal for use with smooth aluminum surfaces or bricks without rough textures. Plus, with its safety lock mechanisms, you can trust that the pins will stay firmly in place, adding an extra layer of security. Introducing the Corghi ClampOnTyre. Corghi, a leading name in automotive workshop equipment, has launched this ingenious tool to make mechanics' lives easier. This device simplifies diagnosing and adjusting tire camber, a crucial task for preventing increased tire wear and other issues. With its synchronized locking mechanism, the pins stay perfectly centered on the wheel, ensuring accurate alignment. Plus, integrated rollers inside the jaws guarantee a smooth installation every time. Say goodbye to guesswork and hello to efficiency with the Corghi ClampOnTyre. Meet the Grizzly T32459, a must-have for your knife workshop. This belt sharpening machine strikes the perfect balance between size and power. Weighing under 19 kilograms, it's easily powered from a standard 110-volt household outlet. But don't let its compact size fool you. With 3/4 of a horsepower, this machine packs a serious punch. It can accelerate the belt up to an impressive 1,280 meters per minute. Plus, its flexible tape position adjustments, ranging from 0 to 90 degrees, ensure precise sharpening every time. One standout feature is its special graphite-coated roller, which prevents unnecessary overheating and blade discoloration. And the best part, you can add this sander to your workshop for just $299. Say hello to the Saker multi-purpose Scriber, your ultimate marking buddy. This versatile tool is designed to effortlessly make precise marks on both wooden and tile surfaces, making your DIY projects a breeze. What makes this Scriber stand out is its clever design, allowing it to tackle even the trickiest spots with ease, from bumps to holes to corners. Plus, it's super adaptable. You can easily adjust its shape to fit your specific needs by tweaking the tightness of the pencil holder and nut. Once you've got the perfect shape, simply lock it in place for pinpoint accuracy. Made from premium aluminum alloy and treated with an anodic oxidation finish, this Scriber is not only tough, but also lightweight, weighing just 0.22 pounds.